Hey guys, and welcome back to Bumblebee Kid Toys. I have another blind bag blind pick for you. As you can see, I have my purple tub here filled with blind bags. So let me get my hand in here and pick out my first one. Here it is. It's a Choco Treasure chocolate egg, a Shopkins edition. There are lots of cool little prizes inside. All the yummy chocolate. And our pink and green surprise egg. Inside we have a flyer and our surprise. Look at this. We have a figure. It's in two pieces, so I need to put it together. We have some Shopkins fries. So our flyer doesn't say what these figures' names are, but there are tons of figures to find in these. Here is the one we found. I really like that one. Alright, so I'm gonna pick my second blind bag. Just so you guys know, I did add some Pikmi pops in here. Here's my next pick. It's a My Mini Mixie Q's blind box. This comes with two mystery figures. We have a cute little carrying cube. We have our flyer. This looks like a little keychain. Let's open up this blind bag. I see two pieces. And here are the two Mixie Q's. Each of these gets a headpiece. Now I just gotta find these on our flyer. Here's one of them. This is Purple Bunny. And the second one is right next to it. This one's name is Daisy. And both of these were a special find. Let's put our mini Mixie Q's up here. And I'll move on to my next blind bag. And we have a Shopkins World Vacation Season 8 Next Stop Asia blind box. Let's get this plastic cut off. There we go. And we have this cute Asian style house. Here is our flyer and our two character bags. Here's our first one. Looks like a little fan. Let me find this on the flyer. And I already found it under Chinese Travelers. This is Wavy Fan. And our next blind bag character. Ooh, look at this. It's a little tree. Must be a bonsai tree. Let's see here on the flyer. And I was right. This is Bonnie Bonsai from Japanese Journey. Let's move on to the next blind bag. Ooh, here we have a Mighty Mini Series 1 WWE edition. There are lots of characters we can find inside these. It's like a little puzzle. I gotta put it together. Here are the legs and the torso. We have some arms. Does anyone know which WWE personality this is? Let's see. Here's the head. Let's find out. This guy here is Roman Reigns. Alright, we're down to our last blind bag blind pick. Let me put my hand in and pick out a good one. Oh wow, we got a Pikmi Pop surprise. I've always wanted to open one of these. This is so exciting. These are supposed to be scented little plush toys. I wonder what this one smells like. We have a couple of flyers. Oh, it's one flyer and one tiny little envelope. We have to open this up and see which character we have. Oh, I definitely smell something. Yep, that is a chocolate scented Pikmi Pop surprise. Now let me find this character on this flyer. And here we have Squeaks the Mouse. This is a rare find. That's what this little envelope was. That was super fun. I really enjoyed opening up all these blind bags for you guys. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Bumblebee Kid Toys channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.